Hello students, in the previous lecture I had sent you the PDF of the equatorial region, and I told you that we'll be starting with the easiest chapter which you have earlier done also, that is the natural regions of the world. Now the first topic, bring it near. Now the first topic here is what is a natural region. The first thing which comes here is what is a natural region. A natural region is basically a part of the Earth's surface which has a high degree of uniformity of climatic conditions, soil, natural vegetation, human activities, etc. That means if I talk about a particular natural region or a part of the earth where there would be a uniform climate, overall if I talk about, there would be a uniform climate, soil would be same, natural vegetation would be same, human activities would be same. So basically if I talk about a natural region, it would be a homogeneous unit. Although there are minor variations, like in a particular natural region, if I talk about a particular natural region, slight variations would be there. Like if I talk about the temperature, maybe in that particular region there would be a bit difference in the temperature. If I move across that particular climatic region, there would be a minor variations in the temperature if I move across that particular area. Why this is so? The reason behind is because we already know that there are various other factors on which the temperature of the place depend. There are various factors on which the rainfall received by any place depends. That is why minor variations may be there. Now in this chapter we shall cover all these natural vegetations, right? Natural climatic